Good morning. I just invited a bunch of friends over for my housewarming party on Sunday, but there's one last item I need to buy, and it's a picture frame for my bathroom so I can get some wall art up and make it look less white and kind of blank. Supposedly there's a secondhand antique store in here somewhere. I can get an old frame. I tried to order kind of one of those fake plastic ones online, but it'll take a week to get here, which is too long. Oh, here it is. Lele Vintage. Let's hope they're open. It says it's open exactly 11. It's exactly 11 now. Where is this place? Oh, there it is.
Sandal.
Kachka.
Kachka porceляна.
Kachka. That's cool. Nice tea sets as well. Very cool. But I don't need any of this stuff.
Это все шкатулки. Шкатулки все.
That's cool.
Все шкатулки.
Okay. The only frame they had that matched was this. It comes with this painting. That's $16,000 and it's like $400. So, okay. Do дякую.
Все?
So.
Чего?
Я не нужно что-нибудь. Только Dr. Schultz. Nein. Okay. Thank you. Tschüss. Шкода.
Ходімо проведу вас.
16,000. It must be some super cool painting, or maybe she just saw me coming. Either way, what I really need is just a frame, so I wouldn't feel right about getting rid of a nice painting, oil painting anyways. There is a flea market on the weekends, so I could go to that. But really, I don't need even a nice frame. I can just use I just want a plastic gaudy frame, kind of like my old apartment. And I'm gonna put a Mona Lisa in there. You're gonna see, it's a really cool idea, but it doesn't need to be a new frame or like a nice frame, if it makes sense. Well, here's my print shop, but I don't have a frame yet. Let me see if I can find one in this mall, maybe. So I don't have to wait a week. If you guys don't recognize this place, it's the underground mall that I have to walk through to cross the street near my house, near my old Bisania house. I actually don't like walking here because there's almost nothing to ever buy here. But today I'm like, oh, I wonder if there's a frame store, because I remember seeing one.
Please take care of your safety.
Maybe this place will have one. It's in a print shop, but oh, here you go. Доброго дня.
Доброго. Що вас цікавить, питайте.
Будь ласка, скільки коштує за рамочки? 40 і 50.
Где-то будет 1500. Вам со стеклом или без?
Okay, well, good news, they have it, but it needs to be custom made, which takes 1 or 2 weeks, and it's 1,500 to 2,000 grivna, which is a lot. Which is like, I want to say $50 or something. Which, you know, it's not bad if you have like a real painting, but mine's gonna be in the bathroom, guys. Huh, I'm gonna cut through here, I guess. It's technically the fastest route to my house to cut through Arena City, but I almost never come here, except for when I used to go to that gym right there. And there's a burger place here that's pretty good. I completely forgot about. And a dessert place. Actually, I completely forgot all these places. And there's a strip club, which I haven't been to in like 4 years. I doubt they're very good anymore because there's not that many tourists or business people anymore. But it used to be the best place. It was amazing. It's like shows, they had singers, dancers. Like, it wasn't just a strip club. It was like, they serve sushi. But I think ever since the war, they probably suck now. So I haven't been. I also haven't been in this gym in a while. But I moved. Guys, I kind of regret scheduling my housewarming party now. Because I realized my coffee table still hasn't arrived. So I won't even have a place for people to put their drinks. And then the frame hasn't arrived for the bathroom. So this bathroom will look a bit sparse. So it's kind of missing, you know, it's not completely, it doesn't really feel like a proper housewarming, you know what I mean? At the same time, you know, it's one of those things where like, you gotta celebrate your wins, you know? By the way, it's starting to rain now. And I'm here to meet the delivery guy to be drop off the new boiler, which I think he's calling now. Hey, hello, добрый день.
Hello.
Johnny.
What's this for? Is your check?
Yeah, check, yeah.
Вам потрібно його delivery?
Я могу?
Воно є.
Okay. Sure. One of these, okay. And delivery 200.
Yeah.
All right, so we got the boiler. And at first, I was gonna have him bring it upstairs for me and just give him a little extra tip. But he looked at me, he's like, you can just do it yourself. Because we're about the same size. I'm like, okay. So here we are. It is quite heavy and kind of hard to hold, but you know, I can do it. I just have to take my time. Actually, it wasn't that hard. Bit cumbersome, but that's bad. Oh! Whew. Got my new boiler. Now I'm just gonna message the installation guy, see if he can come and replace it today. Well guys, while I'm here, bottles up. Learn this mode, bar days. Don't worry, I didn't put my finger in people's drinks. All right. Who's thirsty? You thirsty? You look thirsty. Yeah. I just realized I was just here yesterday, so I might not even need to water all this stuff again, but I don't know if I'm gonna spend the night, so we'll water them again now just in case. I should probably eat her eggs, right? 'Cause if she's gone for 3 weeks, they're gonna go bad. Oh, I guess we'll replace them with something else, but I'm waiting for the installation guy to write me back if he's coming today or not. He said he would, and just to write him when it arrived, but maybe he's busy on the job. By the way, this angle looks so nice. I feel like I should like record like a full video here or something. Like a Q&A or something, maybe for next month. I decided to open the box to make sure it's the right model. Looks like it is, and that it's brand new and everything. Unfortunately, the guy cannot come today until 6 or 7 p.m. And I have dinner plans already, and I kind of don't want to wait around all day just for him to come. So I told him to come next week, and I'm gonna go try to look for a frame. Well, it's raining today, so hopefully this will be worth it. Oh my god, guys, it really is raining. I hope this doesn't mean the end of summer. Alright, and here we go. Here is the frame place. How do we get in? Here we are on the corner. Oh, here we go. It looks like it says apartment Palma, like Panama apartment, but it means Art Rama, art frames. And I guess it's in this apartment. It's like a residential building. That's it. Do you have to press something? V? Oh. So shady, right? Hello, do we done? I want a frame. Yeah, good. Oh, the big selection. Oh. I want something the same as like a Mona Lisa frame in Louvre.
I need to Google.
Okay, Google it. It is nice Mona Lisa. Not Louvre. I'll show you a photo. Like,
I'll show it in a second.
no, okay. No, не очень дорого.
А какая ширина?
40 на 60. 40? 60.
60.
60. 40 by 60. 60. No.
Напишите.
No.
Ah.
Me too.
Okay.
Oh, look at this. Beautiful. All right, so we are trying to pick out a frame that might match, but I have a feeling it's gonna be expensive. We'll see. So these are the wood options, real wood, but plastic might be an option that's cheaper. We'll see how much this is. All right, so this one is super expensive because it's very thick. She said it's $266, which is 11,000 hryvnia. Let's check these other options. All right, well, really nice woman and a nice selection and everything, but the price is just way too high, especially for an art print that's gonna go into my bathroom. If it was like, you know, some like family portrait that we had commissioned or something in a museum, yeah, I'll pay $300 for a frame. I think that's amazing that you even have craftsmen making it out of wood still. But for my needs, if anything, the plastic would be better because it's very humid in the bathroom. But even the plastic versions here were quite a bit more expensive than what I saw online, and it still takes, you know, 4 to 7 days to make, so I might as well order online. there's no benefit in me getting it here. All right, well, I'm walking by Gulliver. It looks like there must be an air raid because everyone's standing outside. But I'm gonna go home for a bit. I'm gonna be edit somewhere. I'm a bit worried about my last two items. The coffee table I bought and paid for, but I haven't gotten any response or shipping notification or anything. They normally call or message you after saying, hey, did you here's an update. Unlike in the US, when you buy something you get an email, here you get a random Viber message from someone, and it's not the shop, it's like the guy's personal cell phone, and I haven't gotten that, and I have no idea. I don't remember where I bought it. I probably look it up through the bank or something, but I have no idea when the coffee shop's coming. And then the frame, I canceled it, but now I kind of think about just reordering it. Well, I got home and I'm going to set up some of this beauty stuff. Actually, kind of looks good just here, right? Maybe I'll just leave it. No, I'll set it up. It looks okay. And this I'm going to replace with this kind of more minimal version because that's kind of ugly and it's crooked. Well, rain is kind of paused, but it's still kind of a great day. And I can officially say that my apartment got finished before this renovation. So I'm very happy to be able to say that. I was a bit worried it would go, either my renovation would take a lot longer or that it would just get stuck somewhere. Anyways, now I'm gonna go meet a friend for some ribs, some riberna. All right, now I'm gonna go walk and meet a buddy of mine for some ribs. All right, here we go. Welcome to Riberna in Podil. It's about a 15-minute walk here, but it's been a nice one. Let's see if my buddy's here yet. Yeah, here we are. All right, excited for some ribs. I think that's some good food tonight, guys. Those ribs were amazing. We probably did 3 wraps between the two of us, but it was good.